Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to online classes. In our last video, we have discussed about Werner's theory of complex compounds and another topic we have discussed. So in this video and nomenclature, especially IUPAC nomenclature, if they give formula, how to write the name. If they give name, how to write the formula. So in this session, we are going to discuss about isomerism in coordination compounds. As you know that the definition of isomerism, iso means same, meros means part. Compounds having same molecular formula or chemical formula but different in their properties, whether it is physical or chemical, such compounds named as isomers. The phenomenon is called isomerism. Compounds having same chemical formula but differ in physical or chemical properties. Physical or chemical properties called isomers. It means such compounds called isomers. The phenomenon is called isomerism. The phenomenon called isomerism. So in coordination compounds, we can observe two types of isomerisms. First one is isomerism in coordination compounds. First one is structural isomerism. Second one is stereoisomerism. There are two types of isomerisms we can observe, structural and stereo. You can define easily. Structural means compounds having same chemical formula but different in the structure, called structural isomerism. Stereo means space, compounds having same molecular formula but differ in spatial arrangement of ligands around the central metal atom, called stereoisomerism. Structural classified into four types in the given syllabus. First one is linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism. Second one is coordinate isomerism. Coordinate isomerism. Third one is ionization isomerism. And the fourth one is solvate isomerism. Solvate isomerism. Definitions are easy and the same statement will be repeated in all these definitions. Same molecular formula but different in the linkage of ligands to the central atom, called linkage isomerism. Same chemical formula but different in the coordination entities, nothing but interchanging of ligands. Same chemical formula but different in the ion generation, called ionization. Same chemical formula but different in the solvate molecules. So here solvent actually it is. Solvent means water molecules or whatever the solvent you can take here. Stereoisomerism again classified into two types. One is geometrical isomerism, another one is optical isomerism. Geometrical, it is classified into two types. Geometrical isomerism. Another one is optical isomerism. There are two types, geometrical and optical. We'll discuss the definitions, examples for the first one called structural isomerism. Now the first one is structural isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula but different in the structure with the different chemical bonds called structural isomerism. So definition I have written here clearly, observe it. In structural there are four. The first one is linkage isomerism. Linkage means the linkage between the central atom and the ligand will be different. Such isomerism is called linkage isomerism. Definition: compounds having same chemical formula but differ in linkages between ligand and central atom called, nothing but bond between ligand and central atom called linkage isomerism. So condition is there for linkage isomerism. It is only arised in presence of ambidentate ligands. What are they? Ambidentate ligands like Cn minus, SCN, NO2, NO3, such ligands only. So we'll observe few examples. So this phenomenon was observed by Jorgensen in CONH3,5NO2 complex. It is observed by Jorgensen in CONH3,5NO2Cl2 complex. So now this is CO central atom. Totally 5 NH3s are there. 3, 4, 5. So here 5 NH3s. And it is NO2. This bond is CON bond. Nitrogen is linked to the cobalt. So outside Cl2, it is one complex. CONH3 5 times NO2 Cl2 outside, counter ion. Another one, CO central atom 5 NH3s, 5 NH3s totally 4, and it is fifth one, and ONO here. The formula same, but the linkage is cobalt oxygen bond. It is cobalt nitrogen bond. So this is the difference you need to observe. Okay, here, so the complete formula is Cl2 outside. The bond is CO ONO bond, and here CO N bonds. So such linkages only possible in presence of ambident ligands like Cn, SCN, NO2, like that. This was observed by a scientist, Jorgensen, in this complex. ONO is there. The complex color is red color. It is NO2. NO2 is NO2 yellow color. It is red, and it is yellow color. So colors are different. That's why they have different properties because of linkage of central atom and ligand atoms. Similarly, MSCN, you can MSCN, otherwise MNCS. Like this, if you observe the presence of ambident ligand, you can say that yes, there is a linkage isomerism. So the next one we will discuss now. Next one is coordination isomerism. So coordination isomerism, second, coordination isomerism. It is arised due to the interchanging of ligands in two coordination entities. It is arised due to the interchanging of ligands between cation and anion entities, in which the central metal atoms are different, in which the central metal atoms or ions are different. It is condition. So definition, simply we can write this only, no problem. So here condition is two coordination entities must, it means one is cationic entity, another one is anionic entity, both must be indicated by square bracket. So now examples: CO, examples are NH3 6 times, Cr, Cn 6 times. Cationic coordination entity, anionic coordination entity, two are there. Now these ligands will be interchanged, then you can write, so Cr NH3 6 times, next CO Cn 6 times. If ligands interchanged, Cn converted into NH3, Cr NH3 6 times, CO Cn 6 times. Same chemical formula, but ligands will be different in two coordination entities called coordination isomerism. The condition is two coordination entities required for this type of isomerism. Next one is ionization isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula but different in the production of ions, different ions, called, what is that? Ionization isomerism. Compounds having same formula, same chemical formula, but different in ions, called ionization isomers. The phenomenon called ionization isomerism. We can continue like that. So in such cases, the condition is counter ion must be there, outside ion, exchange with ligand, one coordination entity only, counter ion, exchange with ligand. It means we need counter ion to exhibit this isomerism. So counter ion becomes ligand, ligand becomes counter ion. Counter ion is itself a potential ligand which can replace the ligand inside the coordination sphere, and counter ion becomes ligand, then ligand becomes counter ion. Counter ion is must to exhibit this isomerism. Counter ion is itself potential ligand to replace ligand in coordination entity and ligand becomes counter ion. You can write simply also counter ion becomes ligand, ligand becomes counter ion. Examples are a very simple example, cobalt complex, CO NH3 5 times BrSO4. So this sulfate ion can exchange Br. So next CO NH3 5 times SO4 Br. Just observe carefully. This is a positive complex ion coordination entity, and negative, which one? This is counter ion. Counter ion is sulfate, but counter ion is bromine. Molecular formula same. On dissociation it gives sulfate and this ion. On dissociation it gives bromide and this ion. This gives sulfate, this gives bromide. That's why ions are different, but formula is same. This isomerism is called as ionization isomerism. So here the next one, solvate isomerism. It means it will be happen in presence of a solvent, especially in this complex compounds. We will use water as a solvent. Water molecule is must, solvent molecule is must to exhibit this, and water molecule directly can bond to central atom, or water molecule present as a free ion. In such cases, the arised isomerism is called solvate isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula or a chemical formula and differ in solvate, it means water molecules, especially differ in the number of water molecules, called solvate isomerism, solvate isomers. Solvent is must. Solvent means H2O molecules must be in the formula, then they will exhibit this kind of isomerism. Next, counter ions must to exchange water molecules as a counter ion as a ligand. Next, water or solvent can bonded to, directly bonded to central atom, or present as free ions. Free ions means counterpart, it is right? Examples: CrH2O 6 times Cl3. There are 6 water molecules inside. So CrH2O 6 converted into 5, 1 gone out, and 1 counter ion inside, Cl, 1 enters. Next, Cl3 converted into Cl2, and 1 H2O will be existed as a free water molecule outside of the coordination entity. It is violet color complex because of the 6 H2O ligands. It is green color complex because 5 H2O and 1 Cl as ligands. This is called solvate isomerism. Okay, the next type of isomerism is stereoisomerism. Second one is stereoisomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the spatial arrangement of ligands around the central atom called stereoisomerism. It is classified into 2 types: geometrical and optical isomerism. Geometrical definition, you can compounds having same molecular formula but different in the geometry of a complex called geometrical isomerism. As we studied in the first year course, geometrical isomerism classified into 2 types. One is cis isomer, another one is trans isomer. Cis means identical groups adjacent to each other called cis. Trans means identical groups opposite to each other called trans. You'll observe all these definitions followed by the conditions. And geometrical isomerism only observed in square planar complexes and octahedral complexes. How they arranged as a cis and trans in square planar as well as octahedral complexes you'll observe now. Okay, definitions I have written here, directly you can. Compounds having same chemical formula, same bonds, chemical bonds, but differ in the spatial arrangement of ligands around central atom called stereoisomerism. Such isomers named as stereoisomers. So in that, first one is geometrical, second one is optical. Geometrical isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula or a chemical formula but differ in the geometry called geometrical isomers. The phenomenon called geometrical isomerism. So we can observe the geometrical isomerism in heteroleptic complexes only, but not in homoleptic complexes. Heteroleptic means 2 or more kinds of ligands are present in coordination entity, square bracket, then only it is possible. If all are same, you cannot find whether it is a cis or a trans. Now, cis and trans, identical groups on same side called cis, identical groups on opposite side called trans. Easy to identify this. It is observed in only square planar complexes and octahedral complexes. Square planar coordination number is 4, octahedral coordination number will be 6. In such complexes only we can observe. So we'll observe few examples for geometrical isomerism, cis and trans. Now, what kind of formulas can exhibit the geometrical isomerism? First one, M X2L2. M is a central metal atom, M. X and L are unidentate ligand. Unidentate ligands. Okay, they can show. Example for this is platinum, NH3 twice Cl. M is a platinum, X and L are NH3 and Cl. So these can exist as, it is a square planar complex, coordination number is 4, 4 unidentate ligands, 2 and 2, totally 4, coordination number 4. NH3, NH, Cl, Cl. Identical groups on same side. Identical groups on same side called cis. Next, platinum, Cl, Cl, NH3, NH. Identical groups on opposite side. Identical groups on opposite side. That's why it is called trans. This is called trans. You can say the name also. So it is amine chloride, which is named first amine, diamine dichloride. Cis diamine dichloride platinum 2 it is. It is trans diamine dichloride platinum 2. Before the name, we need to use cis as well as trans. Okay. Next, M, X, Y, L2. X, Y and L all are unidentate ligands. X, Y and L are unidentate ligands. Unidentate ligands. Examples are platinum, NH3 twice, Cl, Br. X, Y, L2 it is, M it is. Then platinum, 2 NH3s on same side. Sorry, these are Cl and Br. We need only 2 identical groups, then you can decide identical on same side cis, opposite side trans. Remaining may or may not be same, no problem. Then it is the complex. Next, platinum, NH3, NH3, Cl, Br. Identical groups on opposite side, 2 amines on opposite side. This is called geometrical isomerism. This is cis and it is trans. Easy to identify. Right now, next. These are all square planar complexes we can observe. In octahedral complexes also we can observe geometrical isomerism cis and trans. Okay students, in octahedral complexes coordination number is equal to 6. General formula is MX2L4. X and L are unidentate ligands. Only one donor atom is there. Example is CO, Cl2, NH3 4 times. So now cobalt it is, there are totally 6 octahedral shape and 2 Cls on same side, remaining 4 NH3s are adjacent to each other. There is a positive charge, +1 it is. This is the complex. Now same side means cis it is, cis tetraamine dichloride cobalt 3. Next trans is CO, same as it is. Can draw like this. Now Cl opposite to each other. NH3 is also opposite to each other. Two NH3s and two NH3s opposite to each other. Cl and Cl opposite to each other. This is called trans. These are all unidentate ligands. But in some cases, even bidentate ligands also there. There also you can observe geometrical isomerism. Complexes with didentate ligands in octahedral complexes especially can show geometrical isomerism, right? Example is mx2 ll twice. Bidentate ligand is represented in a bracket. X2 unidentate ligand, LL is a bidentate ligand. X is unidentate ligand, LL represents didentate ligand, right? Example is CO, Cl2, En twice, plus it is charge. Observe carefully all of you. Monodentate ligands 2, chloride ions. Didentate ligands 2, En indicates ethylene diamine, already we have discussed. Then it can be drawn as cis and trans forms. 3 marks question. So what is geometrical isomerism? Draw the cis and trans isomers for the following, like that they are asking. Now, cobalt is a central atom and 2 chlorine atoms here adjacent to each other. Ethylene diamine is didentate. One ethylene diamine can forms 2 bonds. Clear? Because it is a didentate ligand. Di means one can forms 2 bonds. Right. Next. One ethylene diamine can forms 2 bonds because ethylene diamine structure, as you know, that CH2, CH2, NH2, NH. These two can form 2 bonds. These are the 2 bonds. This is the complete structure. Every time no need to mention this full formula, simply you can mention its abbreviation EN, simple form. These two on same side, that's why it is cis. Same side means cis, right? Same thing you can write CO. 2 chlorines on opposite side. Next, 2 ethylene diamines on opposite side. 2 ethylene diamines on opposite side. This is called trans. Plus charge is there. It is called trans. Clear? So this is cis and trans. Now, square planar and octahedral complexes can show geometrical isomerism, but not in tetrahedral complexes. Tetrahedral complexes. Tetrahedral structure is central atom, ligand, 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 ligand. This is a tetrahedral structure. You just observe, you cannot say 2 identical ligands on same side or opposite side because these ligands on same side only all are. But we need different side, it nothing but opposite side or a same side. But in tetrahedral structure, maximum ligands on same side only, it is very difficult to find whether it is a tetrahedral or octahedral. So it is a 2 marks simple question, even textbook also given in textbook also. Tetrahedral complexes will not show geometrical isomerism, only octahedral and square planar complexes can show geometrical isomerism. With this, geometrical isomerism completed. Next is optical isomerism. Optical isomerism means compounds having same molecular formula but different in the optical rotation, as you studied in the previous chapter, haloalkanes and haloarenes. When you pass the plane polarized light, if rotated to the left side called levorotatory, right side called dextrorotatory. So optical isomerism, compounds having same molecular formula but different in the optical rotation, called optical isomerism. You know that enantiomers, same chemical formula, compounds having. So these are mirror images to each other. This is the original, this is the mirror image. Just imagine. So here there is a mirror. If you keep this, the image is like this. Both are mirror images. When you superimpose on it, they will not be matched. Compounds are mirror images but not superimposed. Such compounds are called as enantiomers. If not superimposed means such compound is called as a chiral compound, studied in the haloalkanes. Compounds, these two are compounds, remember, not mirror image. Two compounds I have taken, but one is mirror images to other, another one is mirror image to other. Imagine, these are two compounds, both are mirror images to each other. Clear? Then, if I superimpose it like this, not matched, mirror images not superimposed called enantiomers. Clear? The compound or ion not superimposed is a chiral molecule, then they will show stereoisomerism, nothing but optical isomerism. So optical isomerism in complex compounds we can observe only in octahedral complexes because of their arrangement. That too we need a didentate ligands, especially for which one, that is optical isomerism. Two conditions: coordination number 6, octahedral complexes, and didentate ligands must in complex compound because of the arrangement of ligands. Then only they will show this type of isomerism. I'll write all these definitions now. Students, before writing the definitions, one more is there in geometrical isomerism only, in octahedral complexes. Ma3B3. Example is CONH3 thrice, NO2 thrice. Three identical NH3s on same side, NO2 is also same side. It is called, it is a cis, specifically mentioned as a facial, FAC simply. So identical ligands on opposite side called, it is simply trans, indicated by meridional. Right? Definition is, three donor atoms, especially identical ligands, occupy the adjacent positions of corners of an octahedron called facial. Three identical donor atoms of ligands at corners of octahedron or opposite to each other, opposite to meridian, called meridional, it is facial. These three on same side of meridian, opposite to the meridian, it is meridional, it is facial, it is another one. Now you'll observe the definitions. Okay. Till now we have discussed about geometrical isomerism, square planar and octahedral. Square planar mx2l2, mxyl2 discussed. Octahedral mx2l4, ma3b3, mx2ll, 2. So optical isomerism definitions, I told you just now, few definitions we'll discuss. Compounds having same molecular formula but different in the optical rotation called optical isomers. Such compounds are called optical isomers, the phenomenon called optical isomers. Enantiomers. Compounds are just like mirror images but not superimposed. Such compounds are called enantiomers. Chiral. Compounds are ions which are not superimposed to each other. Such phenomenon called chirality. Such compounds are called chiral compounds. Molecules are ions that cannot be superimposed and called chiral compounds. Dextro. When you pass a plane polarized light, if it rotates to the left side, levo, right side, dextro. Right side, dextro. Dextro indicated as D, levo indicated as which one, that is L. Dextro, left, levo, right. Okay. Okay. Dextro means right side here, sorry, and levo means left side. Easy to remember also. Okay. Then this type of isomerism only observed in octahedral complexes, that too with a didentate ligand. So that is ethylene diamine indicated as En, oxalate OX, oxalate is C2O4 minus 2. In such cases only you can observe. Why in this only, why not in tetrahedral and other complexes? The only simple reason is it is due to the arrangement of ligands around the central metal atom. So few examples we'll observe for this type of isomerism now. They're asking draw the dextro and levo isomers or optical isomers for the following compounds. So this is the complex given. So to understand, first of all, you have to identify the given complex, whether it is a octahedral or tetrahedral. Yes, it is octahedral. Bidentate ligand 3 into 2 6, coordination number 6. Here also 2 into 2 4, bidentate. It is 2 into 1 2, unidentate. Total is 6, coordination number 6, coordination number 6, octahedral. Bidentate, yes, possible. Now dextro and levo, CO. So here En is a didentate ligand. En is a didentate ligand. Didentate means one En can form two coordinate covalent bonds. Okay. So this is complex plus 3. Keep a mirror here. This is a mirror. The next compound is mirror image of this compound. So mirror image means this is CO. These two observed first in the mirror. Yes, these two observed first in the mirror. When you stand in front of the mirror, which is very nearer to mirror, that will be observed. These two observed, followed by this one. Okay, ethylene diamine. Right, plus 3 it is. So it is a dextro, D indicated. It is levo. Don't decide these are dextro and levo by looking. These two are right side, these two are left side. Don't decide like that. This is the data given by experiments. So experimentally it is given as dextro, it is given as levo, right? So next one is PP, Cl2, NH3, sorry, En twice. This is the complex, power plus 2. In such cases, how to draw? Platinum is the central atom, Cl and Cl, and this is ethylene diamine, first one, and it is another ethylene diamine. Clear? Power, how much it is? Yes. Keep a mirror here. It is a mirror, right? So platinum, so Cl it is. This will be observed here, clear, in the mirror, and this will be observed here, clear, in the mirror. Next, this will be observed here, right now. So this is another one in the mirror. It is a dextro, T, it is a LeO. Dextro and LeO character is decided by experimental data, not by looking the structure. Next, observe carefully. This compound is just like as mirror image of this compound. And this compound is mirror image of this compound, and this compound is mirror image of this compound. Just observe clearly, these two are two different compounds, just like mirror images and non-superimposed. Clear it is? So few more examples you'll observe now. As I discussed just now, these are dextro, another one is LeO, already drawn structures. These two on same side, identical groups. That's why it is a cis. In the next structure also, chlorines on same side, cis. It means cis compounds only shows optical isomerism. It means they can rotate the plane polarized light, but not trans compounds. Very, very important. Which are the following shows optical isomerism? The reason is trans compounds are optically inactive. There is no rotation of plane polarized light because of plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry. Symmetry elements are there in trans. When you cut, it will be divided into two equal half parts. In such cases, no chirality. That's why trans compounds are optically inactive due to plane of symmetry, and cis compounds are optically active due to which one? That is arrangement of ligands three-dimensionally. By looking, it may be a plane of symmetry. It's not like that. Three-dimensional arrangement is there. One is above, another one is below, like that. It's very difficult. Only cis compounds but not trans compounds exhibit optical isomerism. See few questions. So this is a complex given. Which of the following is optically active? They will provide you cis complex and trans complex for this. Now cis is Cr, Cl, Cl, oxalate it is. Oxalate is a bidentate ligand, and this is +2. Next, chromium, Cl, Cl, oxalate and oxalate. Okay, it is also a complex +2. There are two identical on same side, that's why cis. Two identical on opposite side, that's why it is a trans, these two. Which only optically active? Optically active is cis only. Trans is optically inactive, it does not show which one, that is optical isomerism due to plane of symmetry. Next, cis only shows but not a trans. Another question. Identify type of isomerism in the following complex. Identify type of isomerism in the given complexes. Observe all of you. H2O is there. Water is there. We can observe solvate isomerism, hydrate isomerism. Solvate is also called hydrate isomerism. And bidentate ligand is there. 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Coordination number 6. It is octahedral complex. Then it can show bidentate means optical isomerism as well as geometrical isomerism possible here. And these are the possible type of isomerisms. Next one. Here CO En thrice Cl3. En is a bidentate, obviously optical possible. Right now, coordination number 6, 3 into 2, bidentical 2, 3 to 6, coordination number 6, octahedral. So next one, another one possible is only optical for this. Okay, na? Another. Geometrical not possible because all are identical ligands only. NH3 5 NO2. So here NO2 NO3 will be exchanged ionization isomerism. Okay. Next, only ionization possible here, no other possible. And any other geometrical, only ionization possible. Linkage also possible. Linkage means NO2 connected to N connected to CO, O connected to CO. Next here 1, 2, 4 A, B or X, Y, L2 type. Geometrical possible here. Square planar complex. Geometrical only possible. No counter ion to exhibit which one, that is ionization isomerism. Many questions given in the textbook, you try them. So this is about isomerism, structure and stereo, one of the important topic. So in our next class, we'll discuss about the bonding in carbonyl complexes, valence bond theory. Okay.